Hi, it's me, Garrett, and from Port Monkeys. And today we are on the Discovery Princess. So I'm going to give you a tour of the entire ship. Right now, of course, we're in the Piazza on Plaza Deck 5. This is the Juno dining room. It's where they now have traditional dining. Set dining time, same table every night, same waiters. Internet cafe. Celebrations. Gelato. O'Malley's Irish Pub. International Cafe. The food is complimentary. The coffee costs money. Hi. The Piazza. Let's do a little twirl. Good Spirits at Sea bar. Catch by Rudy. That's the Piazza. The Catch by Rudy. Guest services. And shore excursions. The Lotus Spa featuring the Enclave. It's quite large. And it occupies the entire front of the ship from port to starboard. Churchill's Arcade. This is the Take 5 Club, lounge, bar. But it's also now the non-smoking casino. They allow smoking in the entire casino now, and they've moved the non-smoking area to this Skagway dining room. You just walk up to the entrance, they ask you how many you are, and they seat you. Maybe not that quick. This is the Fine Art Gallery. They're setting up for an art show today. This is the Photo Gallery. They also sell binoculars and cameras and stuff here. These are the officers currently on board. These are some of the shops of Princess. We're crossing from port to starboard. That's Future Cruise Center. Crooners. Bar, lounge. And they have a piano, although sometimes they have a guy playing guitar there. And this is Ocean Terrace Seafood Bar. You can get sushi here. It's extra. This is the Princess Casino. And on this ship, this entire place is smoking is allowed. They have roulette wheels, they have table games, and they have craps. And they have slot machines and slot machines and slot machines. And some of the latest machines. So, if you play slots, craps. That brings us to the Princess Theater on the other. It holds approximately 920 passengers. Of course, they do 2 shows nightly on most occasions. And I'm standing in front of the stage. So we're climbing up the steps. To deck 7. So this is Promenade Deck 7. We're in the front of the ship on the left side, the port side, heading aft, heading to the back. And I'm going to real quick walk outside here so you can see what it's like. I went outside. You can only go so far forward and so far aft. You can't go around the ship. These are more of the shops of Princess. And there's a nice place for people to sit around because they don't want to shop, but somebody they're with wants to. So you can just hang out there. We're back on the port side, and this is Sabatini's Trattoria. And the entrance is actually over there. This is Bellini's bar. So Bellini's bar is a nice, cozy little bar with an opening to the entire piazza. Gigi's Pizzeria by Alfredo. Let's swing around here. There's Bellini's bar. There's Sabatini's Italian Trattoria. And here's the piazza from Promenade Deck 7. This is oceanfront. You can get help with your medallion. You can get help with your Wi-Fi. You can buy accessories for your medallion. This is the Princess Live Cafe. They sell specialty coffee here and other drinks. And this is Princess Live. They do trivia in here and game shows. Crown Grill and Bar. So the grill is back there, the restaurant. And the bar is right here in this area. The Crown Grill and Bar. This is the aft stairs and elevators. And the Ketchikan dining room is down those stairs, one deck, on deck 6. This is the Ketchikan dining room. It's anytime dining room, not walk-in, but anytime. So you go on the app and you schedule a time and you come here. And you get in. And we have never had to wait here. Now we're entering the Vista Lounge. They do the elite and platinum hors d'oeuvres in the evenings. It's a big lounge at the back of the ship, the very back. We've covered decks 5, 6, and 7. There are only passenger cabins on every deck up to 16. Home of the World Fresh Marketplace, the ship's buffet. I'm going to walk around the back of the ship first, though. Show you these areas out here. The Wakeview Pool and Bar. We're at the very back of the ship now. This is the World Fresh Marketplace. This is just one small section of it. It actually is in 4 of these sections. So this is breakfast. Swirls ice cream. Complimentary soft serve ice cream. Seaview Bar. A nice big bar. And beyond that are the sky pools. Seaview Bar, sky pool, hot tub, couches, sky pool again. This is the Salty Dog Grill. Hamburgers, hot dogs, chicken sandwiches, All complimentary. The Mix Bar, not complimentary. Slice Pizzeria, complimentary, and they usually have 3 or 4 kinds of pizza every day. It changes a little from day to day. And this is the Retreat Bar, and this is the Retreat Pool. This is the Retreat. The Retreat Pool is down on deck 17. On 18 are the more lounge chairs. And just a couple cabanas. First come, first serve. So this brings us to the sanctuary. This area is called the Retreat though. But this is the sanctuary. The sanctuary costs extra money. At the recording of this video, it was $40 for a day in here. It is at the very front of the ship though. That brings us to the fitness center. It's a fairly large fitness center with lots of bicycles, ellipticals, treadmills, free weights, exercise machines. There's the fitness center. And this is the beach house and Camp Discovery. The children's areas are down that hall. They're all closed though. This is also the entrance to the photo studio, which used to be called the Platinum Studio. The smoking area on deck 17 aft. So now we're on Sky Deck 18. Open up a world of discovery. And this blue line is the jogging track. 7 laps equals a mile. 1.6 kilometers. This is center court. Basketball, pickleball, wiffle ball, soccer, you name it. Notice all the lines painted for every kind of sport. There's the jogging track. We are underneath the Movies Under the Stars screen, as you can see. And that's the pools and spas and hot tubs down on Lido deck 16 and deck 17, and there's the greens, mini golf. And that brings us to the end of our highlight video. If you want more details on the Discovery Princess, watch the full ship tour. So I'm Gareth, and I'm saying I'll see you in the next port. Bye!